Hey you guys, it's affiliate.watch here. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make up to $500 per sale with the Shopify affiliate program. Yes, you heard that right, $500 per sale. And I'll also show you 3 free strategies at the end of this video on how you can make money with the affiliate program. If you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform that's for free where you can find the best affiliate programs. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the Shopify affiliate program, the commission structure, show you how to sign up, and show you how you can actually make money with this affiliate program as a beginner or experienced affiliate marketer. The Shopify affiliate program pays $25 to $500 per sale, and I'll break down that commission structure in a little bit. The cookie length is 30 days. The affiliate program is on the Impact Affiliate Network, which I will show you how to sign up to, and you can get paid out via ACH as well as PayPal. And the commission structure is based on what product they're signing up to with Shopify as well as which country they're from. So for example, if somebody signs up to create an e-commerce store from Australia and pays for a plan, you'll make $150 US. If they're from India, you'll make $25 US. If they're from these Asian Pacific countries, you'll make $100. If they're from some of these European countries, the Middle East or Africa, you'll make $100. And then a lot of the countries in Latin America and a few islands around there pay $25. And most of you guys know what Shopify is, so I'm not going to go over all the features, but I want to go over this because this allows you to earn $500 per sale as an affiliate. Shopify just released this, and it's a point of sale system, so businesses can physically in their store accept debit, credit card, and different types of payments. And if you refer businesses to this point of sale system and they start accepting cards inside their store, you'll make $500 per sale as an affiliate, as long as the business is from Australia, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, Finland, Germany, Ireland, Italy, Netherlands, New Zealand, Singapore, Spain, the UK, and the US. And becoming a Shopify affiliate is super easy. All you need to do is click the link down in the description, which will bring you to this page, which has a lot of information, testimonials about the partner/affiliate program, and also a ton of different resources. And you just need to click apply now, which will bring you to this page, and then you go ahead and click sign up. You will be able to see the contract. I went over all this information just a few moments ago. It just breaks down the commission structure. And then you go ahead and click accept. And if you're already signed up with the impact.com affiliate network, you can click just sign in with Impact. Otherwise, you can sign up with email, Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter, or LinkedIn. And that will allow you to apply to the Shopify affiliate program as well as the Impact affiliate network if you're not signed up with the Impact network already. And once your application has been approved to join the Shopify affiliate program, it's super easy. All you need to do is click create link. And then you can take this link and you can start sharing it. And when people sign up with your link, you can start earning commissions. And you can also create custom links. For example, if we want to link to the point of sale system, which earns us $500 commissions, we can just paste that link in here and go ahead and click create. And then it will generate us a new link and we can go ahead and start sharing this link, which will bring people to the point of sale page. And before I show you 3 different strategies on how you can make money with the Shopify affiliate program, I just want to show you one more thing, and that is the resources section. So if you click the link down below and you click resources in the menu, it'll bring up this whole entire resources section and library. And this is super useful for affiliates. It has a lot of different strategies. It shows you how to get more sales as an affiliate. Now I want to show you 3 different strategies that will work to make money with the Shopify affiliate program. One is to do tutorial videos, for example, how to build a Shopify store in 10 minutes and make money step by step. And if we scroll down right here, you can see that they have a Shopify affiliate link. This video has 63,000 views. Another strategy is to compare Shopify to other platforms. For example, Shopify versus WooCommerce, which e-commerce platform is better? And this one shows that Shopify is better. And then if you click visit Shopify, it goes through their e-commerce link. Now, the last 2 strategies I showed you are very competitive. So if you are a smaller YouTuber or a smaller blogger, this strategy, the 3rd strategy, is probably best for you. And that is simply just to have a Shopify affiliate link on your website or in your description and rank for content that you can actually rank for. So for example, this YouTuber, Wholesale Ted, which you probably know, she always puts, not always, but most of the time she puts a Shopify affiliate link in her description. So if you can't rank for Shopify tutorials or something like that, and you want to try to rank for keywords that are easier to rank for, you can just include Shopify affiliate links in your description or on your blog, and you can make money that way. If you want to find more affiliate programs you can promote for free, then make sure to check out affiliate.watch, and you can also create a free affiliate marketer profile here, and companies will soon be able to reach out to you via your affiliate marketer profile, and it's all for free. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.